Okay, so like this, from Kali Linux, I have Kali Linux. So here, type WireShark. And by the way, if you can have it here, you can choose the interface next, which is in my case, it is EF0. And to make sure, type ifconfig command. You can see that I'm using F0, and this is the IP address of this machine. Okay, so I will choose F0. And here you can see it will start capturing the packets. So for example, if I go here, if I open the browser, I just want to show you something. Or before that, let's open the terminal actually, it's better. And you can see, yeah, actually I opened the browser, but you can see that there are packets being captured, like the TCP packets and whatever. Okay, now again, let's open the machine here. So if I type restart this time, okay, so I want to quit from the browser. Let's restart the capturing. So you can see there are nothing here. So if I type bing google.com, you can see start that we have a lot of traffic going on. Okay, so Ctrl+C, Ctrl+D to quit from this. And don't worry, in the next lectures, we will start handling how to capture specific traffic. Depends on the IP, protocol, the request, specific data inside this request, and a lot of filters, powerful filters actually, and straight to the point. No